we all know technical documentation is never fully accurate, and that's a fact. For all the customers we've been working with so far, there's always between 20, 30, up to 50% of drawings of documentation that is wrong or not up to date. That's the reality of the field today. So retrieving this technical data first, just retrieving it, today is closer to archaeology than engineering, to be honest. And there is a lot of dust under the carpet. But when you have thousands and thousands of carpets, how do you deal with it? Most of the times, it does not end well in the field. And sometimes it's purely simple financial consequences, which can be really a lot of money, but simply financial. And unfortunately, sometimes it's much more severe consequences. So finding the dust under the carpet, fixing it, is what you need. What you need is to immediately know where the documentation is faulty, so that when you prepare your interventions, you make it based on facts and no longer on assumptions.